This is a Miele CM5 series benchtop coffee machine, and I'm going to do an unboxing video. So what I've got here are some cleaning tabs, there's some descaling tablets. The store advised me to buy more, so it seems like they didn't really know what they were talking about. Operating instructions. This is a nicely wrapped base for the coffee. So this is the Tayberry red color for the machine. It's got a really rich red color. It looks like there are more parts here. Take this out. Got your pipe. Some instructions. This is the first time turning on this machine. It's going to ask you to select the language. English, Australia.